Oh, what do we have here? 14-year-old goes nuts after getting suspended.
How are you?
Oh, Peachy Keen, it's Friday.
Oh, yeah.
And you?
I've been better, but thanks.
Mr. Dave, your company has arrived.
Excellent.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Just going to be here in just a second. I just downloaded video. So how's your day going?
Well, let's see. I'm starting off.
He didn't even write the statement. He said that was the camera. I'll be honest with you. That's what he said.
No, you're not hurt? No injuries?
Yeah, my nose is bleeding. I just took the tissue out just now.
Okay.
Damn.
So right here is Mark.
Oh, y'all had going to jail. Assault on a teacher?
Where's he at?
He's standing right here. This is the best angle we have. Anaya, who ends up punching, that's the top of her head right there.
Okay.
In the red. And you're going to see his head move back right there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Now let me show you the other incident that happened with her. This is the same girl.
So what's her malfunction today?
I told 10 kids that had ISS, and this is how she responded to it.
ISS is an in-school suspension.
Has she calmed down at all? Or?
Right now, I think she's in a classroom. I'm not 100% sure.
She's in a class. She's actually in class?
Yeah.
Well, what do you want to do? Prosecute?
I did, yeah.
Well, what triggered her to hit you?
Yeah, I wouldn't know how to answer that because, like, what the fuck do you mean? What triggered her to punch me in the face and break my nose?
No idea.
Because I was putting all these students.
What, all
in
those
ISS.
students going into?
No, those students were going back, and I was just standing at the door. And I told her, "You have ISS," and she just. I mean, I didn't see it coming. When you literally
Damn.
when somebody attacking, you don't see it coming.
Yeah.
I'm just standing there saying, "Okay, go through Cal." The guy Cal, get behind me. She connected with him as well. When she hit me, because I guess I just picked my classes off. I didn't see it coming.
Her parents notified?
I did speak to the mother
What'd she
right
say?
after this took. It's all my fault. I called her daughter this. I called her daughter that.
She said it's your fault?
Yes. Mother said her phone would be on or whatever
The
happened.
mama need to get arrested too.
I said, well, we're going to call on this. What she did was, she assaulted staff.
Mm-hmm.
Explained the process to her mother as well. That I didn't give her ISS, but I read the list of the teachers that gave her ISS.
Mm-hmm.
That's part of my responsibility is to, tell students who have ISS and
Sure.
follow up with them in ISS.
Let me get started on this paperwork.
Alrighty, thank you.
Yep, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Yep, thanks, sir.
This is first thing in the morning, man. You guys got better things to deal with.
Nah, no worries. No worries, sir. Yep.
After the officer finishes his paperwork, he re-enters the high school, ready to transport the 14-year-old to a juvenile facility.
All right. She ready?
Yeah, let me find out where she is. Come on in. See if I can find her on the camera.
So she doesn't know?
I haven't said anything to her. I've been busy downloading video. She is down in this classroom. I can take you down there. Is there anything else you need?
Now, if you want to send the video to my email, would it be easy? Would it be easier if I didn't? If she doesn't want to do this in front of students, or anything?
Yeah, I can have somebody bring her out to the lobby. How's that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or if you want to bring her in, you actually talk to her before I come in to kind of so she's not slain with this.
Sure.
If that makes sense.
I'll just go ahead and go over and get her.
That is the worst thing that he could have done because she's still for to show her ass.
Right back.
I'll stand out here.
Okay.
The student is now sent out of class down the hallway so the officer can make contact with her.
That little bitty thing broke his nose.
White ass. I would have saying to you, boy. Take me back to class, I think, bro.
Take me back to class while you trying to act like a gangster is crazy. Diabolical.
Take me back to class, bro.
So you told her everything?
I told her what the charge would be.
All right, Miss, you come with me.
Ooh, bro.
I can start. Okay.
Where you running to? Why this school look like a prison?
You want to comply?
I'm not scared of that taser.
That's fine. Do you want to comply?
Don't touch me, bro.
Go to jail and you can come back
Miss
home.
Sydney.
Turn around.
Miss Cindy can't help you, baby.
I'm not going to jail if I ain't do nothing.
911. Send another unit.
Miss Sydney, call my mama, bro.
9 North 12.
Call my mama, bro. I didn't do nothing.
I'm not gonna sit here and fight you because I know you're.
Shut the f up talking to me.
Excuse me?
Shut the f up talking to me.
Oh yeah. I would have manhandled her right to the ground.
Boy,
Oh. Oh.
I don't know I'm fighting for him. Get in the ground. Plain start. Why are you
shut
acting?
the f up, bro, because I ain't do shit.
Okay, well that's fine.
You did something. Usually I'll be like, why the teacher pressing charges? But in this case, yeah, you gotta press them bitch. She gotta learn her lesson.
You weak as f.
That's right.
She probably ain't gonna learn it though.
You weak as f. You weak as f. You weak as f. Oh my mom. You weak as f, bro.
Don't put none on that nice young lady.
Miss Sydney, bro. Miss Sydney, bro.
Now she about to start crying.
We've been done. We've been by now.
Miss Sydney. I didn't do anything. Miss Sydney, I didn't even punch him in his face. Miss Sydney, I didn't do anything. You can't let them do it. I didn't.
You always got that one teacher that care for the kids that be acting crazy as hell. And new teachers don't be deserving that shit.
Didn't do anything, Miss Sydney. I didn't do anything. I didn't, bro. I didn't even punch him. I knocked his glasses off his face. That's not even put my hands on him. Miss Sydney, bro.
Roll it to her.
Miss Sydney, bro. Hey, Miss Sydney, bro.
Survived my body came broke during the altercation.
I didn't do anything. Oh.
I don't know what you're at, process. I know you don't. That's why you're in here.
Slam that door. Biatch!
Due to the student being 14 years old, the officer's supervisors are called to the scene to discuss the use of force.
So started walking and running her mouth, and so I just went straight for my taser and just deployed it. I didn't deploy it, but I mean I pulled it out. And turned it on. She's like, I ain't scared of that. Like, all right, so I just put it back and just went hands on.
Where's she at?
Right here.
How's she acting right now?
She's not banging her head against the wall or anything, so
That's good. How'd your
I can't
camera
believe
break?
it's not right behind
It's
her.
off.
It ripped off?
Yeah.
You guys land on it?
Yeah, I did.
So it's not working?
It's working. It says ready.
There's yours on right now?
Yeah. I figured if she's sitting there, you know.
She's not saying she's hurt or anything?
I think they've got to talk to her just to make sure she's not injured or anything else part of the use of force.
You're good.
She didn't do anything to me.
Also, she didn't swing at you or not?
Damn, she started trying to fight his big ass. Do y'all see how big this man is? This dude probably my height. Well, now he looked like about 5'2". But this dude every bit of 6'3", 6'4", 6'2".
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright. What about him? Or her?
Basically, so I went in, got all the statements I needed for the assault. She was still in the classroom. I came back out, finished my paperwork, and I went back in and said, hey, why don't you go get her and tell her first before I just show up at the classroom so she's at least aware of something.
Right.
And he brings her down. She's just pacing the hallway, and from there she, no, I'm going back to the classroom, and I'm not going, and all this fun stuff. And so I waited a few minutes, and then eventually I followed her because she couldn't go anywhere. She just started running her mouth, and I just pulled my taser out, turned it on. She's like, I ain't afraid of that taser. You hit me all you want, I ain't afraid of it. I just put it back and just went hands on. Tried to gain compliance, but she kept pulling, and I had help from Dave. We pinned her against the wall, and I put her to the ground.
What's her name?
Anita or Mr. I just call her Mr.
Miss. That's who she is?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to ask her if she's injured and go from there. She right here?
Yep.
I'm just going to put the window down.
Ohio, Henry
Mr.
King,
I'm Corporal
7181.
Porzell. Are you hurt in any way, ma'am? I got to just make sure you're not hurt. Are you hurt in any way? Do you need an ambulance for any reason? Ma'am, do you need an ambulance for any reason? Are you hurt? Are you okay?
You see, this is why, you know what I'm saying, when you act like this, then you want to start making complaints and saying what you need and what you don't need, and they'll give it to you. This is why they don't be fucking with you.
Okay.
Right there.
Other than the fact you're in handcuffs, are you injured? No? Do you need something we can help you out with medically right now? Okay, so you're okay? Okay. Thank you, Mr. She says she's not hurt. Well, she shook her head yes and no.
You just gonna tack on and resisting then?
That's it, resisting and assault.
Okay.
Hey, 'cause that was dumb. Now she want to be quiet.
How are you? Doing well.
Nice. Get any drugs or alcohol in the last 24 hours? Sorry? Is it still affecting you now? Are you on any prescription medications?
You got anything on my coat you're sticking? No.
Before you go to the phone.
I'll bet that one down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go through this way.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
The suspect, 14-year-old Anaya, was charged with assault and resisting arrest. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.